Those of you who grew up in the Seventh-day Adventist church, you know what 13 Sabbath is all about. And you probably went through it too, getting your new dress out or your nice Sabbath suit to come to Sabbath school. And do you remember ever having to memorize 12 Bible verses? And the teacher stands up in front of you and then they would say one word, do, then everybody do, whatever it was. That was just so exciting. Right now, I'd like to welcome all of you to 13 Sabbath. Welcome and make the children feel special. Whatever they do, give a nice loud amen or a nice hand clap. Let's practice. Amen. Clap your hands. All right, so welcome to 13 Sabbath.
And Jesus said, let the little children come to me and do not forbid them, for such is the kingdom of heaven. I would like to present to you the children of Miami Temple. We are going to start with our Cradle Roll classroom. We start from ages from newborn up to four years old. And they have been learning the story about creation. And so they're very, very proud to present to you the creation. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. On day number 1, God made the light, and everything God made was good. On day number 2, God made the clouds and the waters, and everything God made was good. On day number 3, God made the flowers, the trees, and the land. And everything God made was good. On day number 4, God made the sun, moon, and stars. And everything God made was good. On day number 5, God made the flowers. On day number 5, God made the fish and the birds. And everything God made. On day number 6, God made the animals and man, and everything God made was good. And then God rested from his work on the Sabbath day. Amen. And now we'd like to sing to you, Jesus wants me to be happy. That's why he made all these beautiful things for us.
Jesus wants me to be happy.
And Junior here would like to tell us, how does the sheep go? Amen. He wants to do it. Do you want to do the dog?
Yes. Woof, woof.
Okay, that was the Cradle Roll class. And we can see that we are preparing them from now to be the future singers and actors of tomorrow. Great job. You can go back to your seats and remember that God made this beautiful world for you and me.